Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-cash.com YouTube channel. Today is February 13 and this is Henry. Today's chart of the day is triple Q, 60 minutes time frame here, and as we can see we are now within the wave Y over here. To the downside, within wave Y we subdivide into 5 waves. Is subdivided into a zigzag ABC, where the A leg is a 5 waves and then the B leg is finished here. Now we're looking for a C leg down. So overall we are calling for a larger degree correction here, okay, and rally is expected to fail for the downside. So if I zoom out now into the larger time frame, here's what we got. So this cycle looks completed, which is the April 2025 low. This one was the last all-time high in triple Q, and since then we've been pretty much sideways right now, right? Sideways, but potentially we could be, as mentioned before, looking for a bigger degree correction. So let me put the X here on the daily time frame, so that will be in the W here. So basically from this peak in October 2025, we are looking for a double correction, WXY. So it can potentially go to this area here, 579 to 545. Now, if we manage to break below this low, that will increase the odds of this to play out according to what we are showing here. And that means we got a lower low, AP lower low, and then that means we potentially should extend lower into the area I mentioned earlier. Now the APC, the 100% is 567, and the 100% of the WX is 579. So yeah, more or less around 570 is where we can expect triple Q to go to, right? And then from this area, there is a potential to do some sort of reaction again. Potentially some sort of 3S reaction is possible, right? So either we finish this correction here and go to new high, or it reacts higher a little bit only to fail again and do even a bigger correction against this cycle from April. But in the short term, then we could see more downside into around 570, okay, as long as we stay below this previous peak here around 617. All right, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on triple Q or any other ETF, commodity stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time and have a nice day, everyone.